My second question is, the Holy Qur'an says that Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam was swallowed whole by a fish. Scientists oppose this, as humans cannot hold their breath for a long time. How can we explain that Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam was swallowed by a fish and survived inside it?
You see, he was swallowed, and it is not, Qur'an does not say that he kept there in the fish belly for 3 days. It is Bible.
Ji.
So as soon as he was swallowed by the fish brought him out. He did not spend more than some few hours in the fish throat or belly or duct, esophagus. So if fish has that one, I don't know the anatomy of the fish. So anyway, but he did not stay there for a longer period. So even then, Quran says, when he came out from the belly of the fish, he was sick, he was unconscious, and he was injured. And for some time he was just kept unconscious there. And then after that, he became conscious and survived that bad episode. So whether scientists say that because Bible says he remained there in the belly of the fish for 3 days and he cannot survive, it will be also the same right thing. But we do not believe he remained there for 3 days. As soon as he was swallowed, he was also brought out. Right?
Ji, Jazakallah Hazur.
Okay.